Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Last Method of Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Baby Girl. The song is Baby Nayoka, the artist is FLAVOUR, and the choreographer is Angela JETERBUG Jitter. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo, and if you want to learn the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video, and let's go.
I want to know what's up. You're only walking and I'm falling down. If you begin and you go begin and do. Anywhere she enter, baby, they must be salad. Baby, no, sweetie, no, honey, no, baby, no, African flamingo.
It's called Baby Girl. Make sure you check out the instructional. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.